All right, hey everybody. This is Scott coming to you from Extraordinary Adventures. Going to give you a little room tour. We are here on deck 12. We're in stateroom 192, 12192. We've got our. You want to get one of those? Let us know. Become a client of ours and get one. Who's here? Hey!
Hello.
Look who it is.
Welcome, everyone.
So as always, you have the little card that keeps the light on, but for some reason they permanently left the card in there, which defeats the purpose. So we don't know what that's about. Your air conditioning control, standard. And welcome to our room. Or did you say it was a 2D?
It's category 2D, and we're on the Odyssey of the Seas.
Yeah, maybe I didn't say that in the hallway.
No, you didn't.
She was listening.
I was listening in.
Our private conversation, she was listening in. So one thing we had said, I just pointed out real quick, was on Prima, I think it was, the full-length mirror made it so that you could almost not use it.
Right.
But in this
the
one,
location.
Much better. You can take a look and see all of your glory and how you look for the evening.
Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure.
Anyway, go ahead, take over the tour.
Okay, so let's start in
the toilet.
All
right, we'll do our little switcheroo dance.
We're doing a switcheroo dance.
Oh my God, she's not even drinking.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice in the bathroom is that it's small.
Yes. It does have hooks for bathing suits.
It does have hooks. The one thing I will say I really do like about the bathroom is that it has a glass as opposed to a shower curtain. They do include...
It's also a curved glass, so it makes the shower bigger.
It does, yeah. They have the hair body wash combo, all three in one.
We bring our own, as you can see.
We bring our own.
But it does have the wand for the nether regions. You know, I like to have the nether regions washed out well. The wand works. It's got 3 settings.
Yeah.
Temperature's hot, pressure's good. So no problems with the shower, really.
Oh, now I'm stuck.
Oh, geez Louise.
Oh, Jesus.
Blew up a real material.
All right, good.
All right, then.
One thing I've noticed, it doesn't have the
line.
line to dry the
I guess
clothing.
I gave you the hooks.
I guess.
Got the pooper. Next to, you're going to go to the sink, okay.
It's very small. The sink is...
She's mesmerized by this bathroom because it's not very tiny.
It's small.
It seems small. Like this is, I don't know. It's
okay, so...
worse than Oasis class ships, and it's the same brand new ships.
Well...
What?
Yeah. So, going back to the smallness.
Yeah, well.
Well, when you get out, I'm going to point out...
it's like we didn't leave the smallness. We're still talking about the smallness.
Well, I know.
And there's some shelf space. But,
yeah.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Where do you want me to be?
It could be... Oh, hello.
I meant the smallness of the bathroom.
No.
Okay.
Just the general... Okay, so... Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh.
I can touch the ceiling.
We don't know if that's a thing. Because do they really change the height of the ceilings?
It's a 7-foot ceiling.
Right.
So if you're very tall,
well, that's true.
Be aware of that.
Whether they changed it or not. It's a 7-foot ceiling.
I can touch the ceiling, which I find very odd. And Scott's a little over 6 foot, and he's pretty close to the ceiling.
The whole room is narrow. I mean,
it's a narrow room.
Somehow it's supposedly 200 square feet, or just shy.
Just shy.
It seems like a sardine can. More so than we've ever experienced on Royal.
Right, and so we're a little confused by that, but just be aware. So.
Anywho, closet number 1.
Well, closets are plentiful.
Yes, well, maybe that's where some of the square footage went.
Yeah, I guess that's true, right?
More up there.
Yeah, the closets up here, and more over there. And then you have some drawer space down below.
You're safe.
On either side of the bed, there are lamps. Scott has a phone on his side. I have one electrical outlet here. No USB connections,
and
just
for a
one.
2-year-old chip,
yeah.
We're feeling like they're underporting.
I do, yes.
Like there should be more USBs, more outlets, more for a 2-year-old chip.
Okay.
I mean, you do have some here. That's true. You do have some here.
Yeah.
We bring our extension. Don't ever bring a surge protectory type kind.
Right.
They won't allow you to confiscate that, but just a regular extension. Anyhow.
So one other thing I want to show you. My arm, like I'm walking just normal, and I can't.
It's tight. I've tripped over those sheets a few times. It's a good sized bed. It's a little hard. The pillows are a little bit But
I feel like we're being
we're being a bit. Well, you know what? Because everybody thinks we're such royal fans, and you know what? This is an area where we're not exactly happy.
This one I'm not. So I love the ship.
We didn't say any of this on Jewel a few months ago.
No, I love the ship, but this room is it's awkward. It's awkward. It's an
Sardini.
awkward room. So.
Sardini. Good table for a desk if you got your computer. Need to do some work, vitamins, whatever. Some more cabinet space. Refrigerator actually works.
Yeah, it's
which
good.
is
Well,
wonderful.
I mean, the ship is only a year and a half old. Yeah.
Well, we were just on an MSC and the refrigerator didn't work. It was like
I know it's a
the
brand new
seashore.
ship too. Yeah.
I'm like, what kind of crap is that?
Whoops.
Oh, okay.
Womp womp.
Blooper reel.
We asked our room attendant for ice in every day.
He's been great with that,
great with that, so no complaints there. And then
Couch is not for 3 people, right? It's just a
no,
regular
it's
couch.
just a regular couch.
Duoc, 0.
Yes, this is our towel animal.
Yep, which we've only gotten one. We're on day 3. Day 4, whatever.
Day
we're on.
4, yeah.
Anyway.
And then we have the balcony out here, and we wanted to point this out to you as well.
Sorry, we're going to be in ding heaven today because we're
It's a lot
about to
of
ding some
dinghy.
more. Balcony's real small, but whatever. It's been very comfortable to sit on. I like the chairs. I sit
I
on
like
every
the
morning.
chair.
You get the foot doohickey.
Yeah.
It's very comfortable.
So, but what we're going to show you here.
So the ding a little bit is the size, but this is the bigger ding.
So
It's just like we saw last month on the Prima.
you
Are you
hit.
going to go up first? We can go
Yeah,
up first.
I mean,
Sure.
we can go up first. You have the
looking at that. You're not
metal
looking at stars.
structure
You're looking at that.
blocking. So yeah, and then when you do look down, as Scott will show you, well,
And you're not. So you're not looking at stars, and you're not looking at the ocean.
you're looking at
You got
lifeboats. So what I
Which I do appreciate having lifeboats. I'm not saying I don't
I mean,
appreciate
yeah. But on other ships, they're tucked in. So I
we
would
were just parked next to Wonder, and it was like straight down. You could look up,
Yeah,
you could look down. It
I
was a
know.
better sitch.
I would highly recommend if you're going to go on Odyssey of the Seas that you get a hump
Yes,
balcony.
get that bump out.
Yep.
Nothing above you, nothing below you.
Yep.
100%.
Absolutely.
100%.
So
So even we make mistakes, but you know that's why you have us. We learn from our mistakes, and then we book you in better rooms than we booked ourselves.
well, it's also price wise. I mean, sometimes the different rooms are more expensive, and
That's true. And
depending
I
on
booked
what
this a
you-
long time ago, and I don't know. I did it, not Laura. Laura's better at this than I am.
Well, that's why I handle the clients.
Yeah, and I'm just here. Anyway, so that's the
dear.
room. I mean, it's really a short
Yeah.
tour, a 7-8 minute tour.
Yeah.
Not much to see or do. It's a pretty standard room. It's comfortable enough. We're complaining a bit, but it's comfortable enough, and it's
Yeah.
well appointed.
I like the storage. I think storage is excellent. My biggest is just I mean,
Yeah, you
So-
probably have a 5-something foot wingspan there. So maybe
yeah.
so it's like 7 by 7.
it's
very tiny.
It feels. I don't know why it just feels significantly smaller than every other.
What are you gonna do? Because the Odyssey of the Seas is an amazing ship, and if you get a balcony stateroom, this is what you're gonna get.
I would get a suite.
I would probably, yeah.
I'd
I
get
would
a
say you
junior
have to
suite.
At least jump it up to the junior
I
suite.
would get
That
a
makes
junior
sense.
suite.
Makes sense.
I
Anyway,
would. Yep.
That's the room tour.
Yeah.
So don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't say goodbye. You
Nope,
have to get
nope.
liking and subscribing to do, and
With the notification bell on.
all that other stuff.
Yes.
Now you can say goodbye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.